is Kaseem. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the Tesla semi-truck and why this business is going to make Tesla billions of dollars. I believe this business is going to make Tesla a lot of money because the trucking industry, if you think about it, the trucking industry is probably one of the most important, most important industry in any country, period. Because you have to think about it. If before you get when you go to the store to buy your food, what gets it there? The trucks. Everything that we do anything that we do in America, for example, when it comes to groceries, furnishing, Home Depot, I mean, every single business in the United States or anywhere in the world needs truckers. And I believe that once Tesla come out with the semi-truck, they are going to change things, because a lot of the semi-truck is a cash cow for the companies that own the trucks. So like the semi-truck is going to make the company a lot of money, like the company that buys the truck from Tesla, and is also going to make Tesla a lot of money as well. So in this video, my goal is just to do a little deep dive into Tesla semi-truck, show you the product, show you the specs of the product, show you basically show you more details about the product so I can get you familiar with the product. My goals with my videos is to educate, and this is a part of it. I'm a big fan of Tesla. I'm a big fan of the company. I'm a big fan of their mission, and I believe that this company is leading the way and is going to be the leader, continue to be the leader in the future. So without taking too long, let's dive right into it and just show you all the numbers, show you all the contracts that they have coming up, both the ones that are public, and I know there's probably a lot that won't be public at the moment, but most of the truck will be manufactured mainly in the Texas factory that they're building right now. So as they're working on that factory and building it up, I think that is once that is built up and Tesla actually start delivering these vehicles, businesses that own truck because most trucks are owned by huge businesses and they get leased out to the drivers. So businesses that own those trucks, you can see that they are going to make a lot of money. Walmart has ordered a lot. There's another leasing company that ordered a lot of trucks as well. So without taking too long, let's just dive right into it, and we'll see why this truck is gonna make Tesla billions of dollars.
So that's by itself or with a trailer. Now at 80,000 pounds max gross vehicle weight, that's the most amount of weight you can carry on a US highway. This is the real-time acceleration of a Tesla semi. That, on the left, the thing that looks like it's not moving is a diesel truck. Just gonna give it a moment. I'm sorry to bore you. I apologize. It's boring. I know. Eventually it'll get there. All right. Even with 80,000 pounds pulling max gross, getting 60 miles an hour in 20 seconds. That's what it can do. Now, what about up a hill?
Not taking too long, let's get right into it. We're gonna go over the Tesla semi-truck today. Like, I'm gonna do a section. I'm trying to do a section where I show you guys each of their products, the price of their products, the demand for their products, and stuff like that. So I'm trying to get you more familiar with Tesla, because the more you know about Tesla and the more you know about their business in general, the more you will understand the company a little bit better. So that's what I'm trying to do with some of my Tesla videos. So here's the Tesla semi truck. This is one of their products, and this is going to be completely electric. And you know, the trucking industry is a huge industry. The industry is the backbone of any country. Trucking industry is the backbone of any country. I believe that it's not going to be, you're not going to really have much of an economic growth without a very solid trucking industry. And Tesla coming to disrupt this, it's a big deal. You know, it's a big deal that I feel like you guys, my audience, need to know about. So here's a semi truck here. You go on their website. They give you a lot of specs about it. They introduce it. You know, they do what they have to do. But here we look at the specs. Here are the specs. It goes from 0 to 60 in 20 seconds. You can get up to 60 miles an hour. The range is right here. I'm not gonna point every single thing out. You can pause this and take a screenshot or, you know, do whatever you need to do. But the main thing that I want to point out is each of the tire has its own independent motor, so it's good. It's good for the car. The biggest part of this whole thing is right here. That's the fuel savings that the truck owners, people that order the truck like Walmart or trucking leasing companies that order the truck, this is the savings that they're gonna get. Over 200,000 in savings. You know, that is huge. Big. As you know, my favorite president will say bigly. I don't want to be political on this channel, but that is it. So the fuel savings is gonna be over 200,000 over the, you know, like, because if you guys know anything about trucking, they spend a lot of money on gas. They spend a lot of money on maintenance, right? If you just have a car in general, you're gonna spend a lot of money on gas. You're gonna spend a lot of money on maintenance. So Tesla coming out with the semi truck, I believe that they are going to sell a ton of it, and it's gonna make them a boatload of money. You know, as a Tesla investor, I'm excited about the Texas Gigafactory that's coming up, because they are going to be making their own batteries at the factory. So I'm really excited about that. So these are the specs. You can pause it, take a look at it. This is basically the design of the truck. I think the design it's very slick. It's nice. It's gonna be autonomous as well. It's gonna be self-driving. You know, it's nice. It's slick. Look at the inside. You know, look at the inside of this thing. It's really nice. This is nice. So that's the truck. This is what it looks like. And I will leave a link in the description. I'll link to this website below. You can watch what Elon has to say about the truck if you want more details and stuff like that. But with that being said, we're gonna go to the next topic that I want to talk about. So Tesla, this is from Tesla's website. They're basically gonna start their main battery line production. So the battery that they talked about that they talk about in Battery Day, plus working with Panasonic and all and Panasonic for the most part, they are going to incorporate the Tesla battery into the gigafactories, the gigafactories that they're planning on building. So you have all the details in here. I'm gonna also leave this in the description for you to check out as well. So let's move on to the next topic. The next main thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is the price here. The price. Notice the base price is $150,000 for one truck, and it gets you 300 miles, and it goes as high as $180,000 for one truck, and it gets you 500,000 miles. If we go back and look at the specs, and see here, over the lifetime of the truck, right? Because you're not going to spend much money on maintenance. You're not going to spend much money on gas. You're going to save a ton of money on those things. You're not going to spend too much money on brakes, gas, oil change. All that stuff just goes away. Done. So within a space of 3 to 5 years, most likely you're going to be able to recruit those money back, right? If you don't have to pay gas, if you don't have to pay tolls, if you don't have to pay maintenance, you don't have to pay all this extra money, you save that money as a truck owner, or like the company that owns the truck, or Walmart, or FedEx. You know, if you guys think about it, the market for the semi truck is huge, especially when they come out with the truck and all this company take possession of the truck and they use it for like a year or so. They see how much this saves them. This is going to be a ton. Think about FedEx, think about UPS, think about Amazon. Probably Amazon is not going to buy it because Jeff Bezos and Elon, they're not that cool. So probably Amazon is not going to buy it. But think about all the other companies, big companies that they have billions and billions of dollars. Like, this is will be enticing for them, because like some company like FedEx and UPS alone, they're gonna order a ton of these trucks because it's gonna save them a boatload of money. So this product, in my opinion, is gonna help Tesla earn a ton of money in the future. So Electrac is probably one of my favorite blogs to keep up with, and they broke this story when Tesla, keeps mixing Elon with Tesla, when Tesla as a company received the order from Walmart Canada. This is the order from the trucking company. So this company, Pride, right here, Pride Group, they ordered 150 trucks from Tesla of this semi truck, 150 with an option to buy 350 more. So the initial, I remember that this is not Nikola. This is like real stuff that is going to be made. Okay. Each truck, they have to deposit at least 20,000 deposit on each truck. So this company going ahead and ordering 150 trucks, it's huge. This is big. Okay. The 150 truck alone is worth $23 million, you know, and the 135 million truck that is still coming, that's still to come, is also going to be worth at least $100 million. So, and that's just coming from one company, just one. And you know, you have to think about it. Dunkin' Donut might want one, Starbucks might want one, Walmart US might want one, FedEx might want one. You know, you can just keep on going. You know, trucking companies might want one. So that's why I'm excited with Tesla. I'm excited with Tesla because I believe Tesla is one of the best investment opportunities out there today. This company is only worth $400 billion. In the next 5 years, they're going to be worth multiple trillions, or maybe 5 to 10 years. So I'm accumulating my shares in the company. I'm just dollar cost averaging into it. Like I said, I do $20 a day that I invest into Tesla. Is like $100 a week, $400 a month. As I'm gonna bump that up as quickly as I possibly can, you know. So let's get right to the next one here, and let me show you guys the other order. That's how serious how serious of a money-making business this truck is going to be for Tesla. This is a little bit of old news, came out in September. But Tesla semi truck, basically Walmart Canada, the Canadian sector, or Canadian branch, actually Canadian branch would be the best point there. So they ordered 130 trucks, and that is a potential. Well, let me do the numbers here actually for you guys. That is 19. I did it already. That order right here, right there, 130 trucks. That is potentially worth 19 million, almost $20 million for that 130 truck that's Walmart Canada ordered. Okay, and we're not even talking about you know, all over the world. And I don't really think there's a couple of EV trucks out there, but I think when it comes to trucking and everything, because Tesla has a reputation of being the best, the number one, I think they are going to get majority share of the trucking industry. You know, they're gonna. I believe they're gonna get the biggest part of the trucking industry. So yeah, that is that. So if you are remotely interested in some of these topics that I talk about here, I urge you to go and check out the Tesla website. Check out the information as well. I'm gonna leave some of this stuff in the description for you to check out. So that is it for today. Appreciate you for stopping by and checking out the channel and seeing what my opinions on this. Please take a moment to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this type of topic, talking about my favorite investments. I'm a dividend investor. I trade stocks, and I also do videos on interesting topic that I believe that the media is not covering enough, and it's not really out there in the realm of YouTube and the world of internet. So I want to just put my opinions out there and share it with you as well. So if you like what I do here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Stick around. This channel is all about making money, investing, and growing our wealth. I set $1 million challenge for myself, and I believe I'm going to accomplish it within the next 5 to 10 years. And everything will be documented on this channel. So if you are remotely interested in knowing about that, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you. Thank you very much for watching. Love you all. Bye.